What can you do with Smartsheet? Smartsheet is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, from project management to sales and marketing. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the most common and effective ways to use Smartsheet. Project management. Smartsheet is a great tool for project management. You can use it to track tasks, deadlines, and resources. You can also create reports and dashboards to keep your team up to date on the project's progress. Here are some specific ways that you can use Smartsheet for project management. Create a Gantt chart to visualize the project's timeline. Create a task list to track all of the tasks that need to be completed. Assign tasks to team members and set deadlines. Track the project's progress with reports and dashboards. Sales and marketing. Smartsheet can also be a valuable tool for sales and marketing. You can use it to track leads, opportunities, and deals. You can also create reports and dashboards to track your sales performance. Here are some specific ways that you can use Smartsheet for sales and marketing. Create a lead pipeline to track your leads from start to finish. Create a sales pipeline to track your opportunities from start to finish. Create a deal pipeline to track your deals from start to finish. Track your sales performance with reports and dashboards. Collaboration. Smartsheet is a great tool for collaboration. You can share sheets with other people and collaborate on them in real time. You can also use Smartsheet to chat with other team members and leave comments on tasks. Here are some specific ways that you can use Smartsheet for collaboration. Share sheets with other people to give them access to the information they need. Collaborate on sheets in real time to make changes and updates. Chat with other team members to discuss tasks and projects. Leave comments on tasks to provide feedback and instructions. Automation. Smartsheet has a number of automation features that can help you save time and improve your productivity. For example, you can use Smartsheet to automate tasks, send notifications, and create reports. Here are some specific ways that you can use Smartsheet for automation. Automate tasks such as creating new tasks, updating tasks, and assigning tasks to team members. Send notifications to team members when tasks are due or when there are changes to the project. Create reports to track your progress and performance. Integration. Smartsheet integrates with a number of other applications, such as Salesforce, Google Sheets, and Jira. This makes it easy to connect Smartsheet to your existing workflow. Here are some specific ways that you can use Smartsheet for integration. Connect Smartsheet to Salesforce to track your leads and opportunities. Connect Smartsheet to Google Sheets to share data between the two applications. Connect Smartsheet to Jira to track your software development projects. Other uses. Smartsheet can be used for a variety of other purposes, such as project planning, resource management, budget tracking, event planning, customer relationship management, knowledge management. Smartsheet is a powerful and versatile tool that can be used for a variety of purposes. Whether you're managing a project, tracking your sales performance, or collaborating with your team, Smartsheet can help you get the job done. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.